Hi Drastic Cuties, Wendy here. Today we're going to draw Cubone from Pokemon. So let's get started. To draw cute Cubone, let's first start by drawing his eye. So we're going to start right here and go up with a curve. So I'll give myself a point right here, and we're just going to drag this up to say about right there, and then we're going to bring it down with a curve and then connect it back. There. And then we're going to come inside right here and we're going to draw an oval. Just give yourself a curve right here and another curve about right here. And then in this space in the center, we're going to draw another long oval for a highlight. And then at the bottom, if you like, you can just kind of give yourself a little curve right here. Shade this all in, and then you can add some color right here for Cubone's eyes, just to bring some sparkle, or you can just shade it all in black. So now that we have that, we're going to go ahead and draw the opening in the skull for the eye. So I'm going to start right back here at this point where I started, and we're going to draw this angular, I guess you would call it angular oval. So I'm going to come right here and we're going to angle up, so curve up, and then we're going to go out and up. Nice and high, so say about right here, and then we're going to come down another angle and another one, and then let's come back down here. We're going to continue this down, then angle it, let's see here, angle curved right there, and then curve up to about right there. So I'm just kind of leaving an opening right there in the line so that it's not so stiff. Then from there we're going to come back in and we're going to follow what we drew. So we're going to come about right here, curve down, down, then we're going to go around and come right back. There. Okay, so now that we have, oh, one more thing, forgot. We're going to put a curve right here as well. So now that we have that, let's go ahead and we're going to use this as our guide once again. Just at this angle where the eye is, kind of like an arrow, right? So we're just going to point it down. And so like skip a little bit of space and say about, I'm just going to pick about right here. So I'm just kind of heading downwards and say about right here. I'll give myself a point, and I'm basically going to draw another arrow. So for the nostril, so let's go up, about right there. We're going to curve it, bring it down, and curve back in. Then let's draw the inside. So we're just going to follow what you drew and back to your point. There. And then now we're going to go up once again. So above the eye in this area right here is going to be the horn. So let's say, just going to pick a point. So about right here, I'm going to go up. So continue this up just a little bit, about right here. Give myself a point. And about here. So I'm just creating these 2 points, and I'm going to go up. We'll curve, and then we're going to round it off right about here. And then once again, bring it down to your other point. Then from there, let's work on this side. I'm going to come right here. We're going to draw the sides of the skull. I'm going to curve it down, then bring it in, a tiny little angle, and we're just aiming for this point right here. We're going to go up and then in. There. You know what, actually let's just connect it just to make it simpler. Okay, so now that we have this shape, let's continue this. We're going to come right here at this point. We're going to continue it down. So these are the plates of the skull, and then we're going to bring it to about right here. So just kind of connect it with a curve. And then we're going to bring it down more, so let's say about right here. Continuing this angle. And then let's come back up, so it just makes it a little bit easier to figure out where we're going. Let's come back up here, and we're just continuing this curve for the top of the skull. So let's say about right here, we're going to go ahead and draw a curve for the top of the head. It's just kind of continuing this, and then give it a little break, and then about right here, we're going to bring it down. So you're just kind of following the curve as well. So let's keep going for the other side. And let's see, about right here, we're going to bring it in and then come down. So now we're just starting to draw the nostril area, the nose. So bring it out. And then about right there, we're going to bring it in and curve. So now we're ending about the same area. And just for a little detail for the other side of the eye, just to see a little bit, we just add a little curve right there. Then in this space will be the other horn. So say about right here. And here. And once again, round off the top. There. Okay, so then now we're going to go around this nostril. So about right here, now that we're at about the same height, we're going to go around, bring it down, and we're wrapping around. So then about right there, we're going to go in. And then right about here, we're going to have a tooth shape. So we're going to come down again, and then we're going to go right back up. So then now we're almost there. We're going to connect everything. So then about right here, we're just going to connect it. There. And then there's like a little line right here as well for another detail. And then here as well. Just to make it look more like bone, I guess. And then let's see. That is pretty much it for the head. So now to draw the cute little body, which is to the side. So we're going to come about right here. We're drawing the hand. So here and here. I'm just going to give myself these 2 points where the hands are. And let's see, let's draw this one first. So we're going to come down with an angle. And about right here, we're going to bring it in. Then we're going to go up for where the bone is. So we're going to go in, round it off, out. And let's see here. I'm going to draw the thumb. And right here is a little nail. So give it a little cut. And then we're just going to bring it in for the one arm. And then the other side. So before we draw the other side, let's come back to about right here. And we're going to draw this big tummy. We're just going to draw a nice big curve. Right there. And let's see, then let's come back. We need to draw the thigh. So about right here and here, nice round thigh. And bring this in. So let's bring this down. And we're just going to start connecting it. So then about right here, we're just going to draw the toe. There, and then just cut this part off right there. Then now that we have that, we can go ahead and we know where to bring this. We're going to bring it down nice and round, and to say about right there. From there, let's draw the other hand. So we're going to bring this down and go this way on the other side, and about right here, about the same thickness as that, we're just going to bring down another line, and then about right here, I'm going to curve in. Then right here, we're going to add that little one nail, and then right here, just tuck this curve in, and here. Then the other foot. So then about right here, we're just going to add a curve for the other thigh, bring it down. And once again, we're just going to come out this toe and bring it in and cut it off right there. Okay, so then now we can go ahead and draw the bone that Cubone is holding. So whatever angle you drew in here will determine your angle. So we're just going to continue this. The angle of your bone, I mean. And then about right here, we're just going to draw the part that is the joint. So right here. And connect. There. And last thing, one of the last things we need to draw is the tail, of course. So like about right here, we're just going to connect, imagine it going through, and about right here, just tuck it in. And that is pretty much it for my drawing here of Cubone. Where can I tuck a heart on Cubone here? Okay, you know what? I'm just going to add it right here. To make this my Draw So Cute Cubone from Pokemon. I really hope I helped you draw it fun and easy today, and if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.